Hello viewers, in this video, let's see about pre-stressed concrete. A pre-stressed concrete structure is different from a conventional reinforced concrete structure due to the application of an initial load on the structure prior to its use. The initial load or pre-stress is applied to enable the structure to counteract the stresses arising during its service period. The pre-stressing of a structure is not only instance of pre-stressing. The concept of pre-stressing existed before the applications in concrete. Pre-stressed concrete is a system in which internal stresses are deliberately induced without any form of external loads to improve its performance. The internal stresses induced in the concrete structure is used to counteract the stresses coming from the external load application. Next, concept of pre-stressing. As mentioned before, pre-stressing is the application of an initial load on the concrete structure so that the structure is able to counteract or withstand the stresses coming due to its service speed loads. The concept can be clearly understood by the example of a barrel. A barrel used in olden period to transport liquids and grains are tightly bound by metal bands as shown in this figure. These bands are fitted so tightly because it is prepared with metal that it creates a hoop compression around the barrel. When this barrel is filled with liquid, it exerts hoop tension. The hoop compression that is created by the metal bands help to counteract the hoop tension created by the fluid within. This is a pre-stressing system. Similarly, effective internal stresses are induced into the concrete by means of tensioned steel bars before the concrete structure is subjected to any service load. This stress counteracts with external stresses. Now let's see about principles of pre-stressed concrete. Large pre-stressing force are applied to the member by the tendons. High bearing stresses are developed at the ends by the anchoring devices. The anchorages are generally designed to be meant for use only for high strength concrete work. When the stress transfers to concrete has to take place by the bond action. The concrete should be a high strength concrete. Shrinkage cracks will be very little when high strength concrete is used. Due to the high modulus of elasticity of high strength concrete, the elastic and creep strain are very small, resulting in smaller loss of pre-stress in all steel reinforcement. In the next video, we will see some more topics in pre-stressing. Thank you for watching this video.